I'm Ella, and this is the story of how my sister and I, well, let's just say we bit off more than we could chew. We were just kids back then, always hungry and dreaming of a full belly.
Ella, stop daydreaming. We need to find food, not fairy tales.
Jane was always the practical one, but sometimes a little magic is exactly what you need. That's when I met the old woman in the woods.
Kind child, might you spare some water for an old woman?
Of course, here you go.
For your kindness, I gift you this magic pot. Remember, to start it, sing cook, little pot, cook. To stop, cease, little pot, cease.
I couldn't wait to show Jane, but of course she didn't believe me at first.
A magic pot? Really, Ella? Next you'll tell me pigs can fly.
Just watch. Cook, little pot, cook.
I can't believe it. It's actually working.
Cease, little pot, cease, see, I told you.
If a little is good, a lot must be better. Cook, little pot, cook.
I came home to find our whole street swimming in porridge.
Help! I'm drowning in breakfast.
I love porridge, but this is ridiculous.
This is all your fault, Ella. You and your silly magic pot. No, it's my fault. I'm sorry, Ella. I was greedy and didn't listen.
It's okay, Jane, let's fix this together. Cease, little pot, cease.
What are we going to do with all this food?
I have an idea. Let's share it with everyone in town.
Free porridge? This is the best day ever.
Together, we cleaned up the mess and shared the porridge with everyone.
You know, Ella, sharing feels even better than having it all to ourselves.
From that day on, we learned that the real magic wasn't in the pot, but in sharing what we had with others. And every now and then, when the town needs a little pick-me-up, cook, little pot, cook!